U.S. slams Uganda over human rights abuse after anti-gay verdict Thursday, April 4, 2024. U.S. Secretary of State, Mr. Antony J. Blinken. Photo, Reuters. New content item, 14. By KEVIN GITHUKU. What you need to know. The statement is in tandem with Section 3, 2c, 9, 11, 2d and 14 of the Anti-Homosexuality Act, 2023, which according to the judges, violate the right health, privacy and freedom to religion, which rights are respectively recognized in the Universal Declaration. Hours after Uganda's constitutional court upheld the Anti-Homosexuality Law and struck out 4 sections, the U.S. Department of State reacted saying it was a small and insufficient step towards safeguarding human rights. According to Secretary of State, Mr. Antony J. Blinken, the United States continues to be deeply concerned by reports of human rights abuses in Uganda, including against the LGBTQI+ community. The announcement that some provisions of the Anti-Homosexuality Act have been removed by the Constitutional Court is a small and insufficient step towards safeguarding human rights. The remaining provisions of the AHA Anti-Homosexuality Act pose grave threats to the Ugandan people, especially LGBTQI+ Ugandans and their allies, undermine public health, clamp down on civic space, damage Uganda's international reputation, and harm efforts to increase foreign investment. Uganda should respect the human dignity of all and provide equal protection to all individuals under the law, Mr. Blinken said in a March 13 statement. The statement is in tandem with Section 3, 2c, 9, 11, 2d and 14 of the Anti-Homosexuality Act, 2023, which according to the judges, violate the right health, privacy and freedom to religion, which rights are respectively recognized in the Universal Declaration. However, some of the Ugandans who petitioned the Constitutional Court challenging what they described as a draconian law signed by President Museveni in May 2023 asked the Western world to keep out of the debate. We appreciate your solidarity, but we don't need your support. Your involvement with sanctions and travel bans distorts the whole issue, making it like you want to impose your values on Uganda. This undermines local agency, for we come across as your fifth columnists. Your threats of sanctions and travel and visa bans also undermine the legitimacy of decisions by judges, as the public may think, if they annul the law, it's because you had your guns on their heads. Veteran journalist and businessman, Andrew Mwenda posted on his X, formerly Twitter, handle. Reacting to the court decision, renowned human rights lawyer, Nicholas Opio also said he disagrees with the findings of the judges but looked forward to receiving their detailed reasoning, judgment, which would inform their consultations and next steps. To base a decision on public sentiments, purported cultural values, and unfounded, unsubstantiated allegations of recruitment into homosexuality is strange, to say the least. You come to court expecting it to rise above public bigotry and sentiments. To that extent, it is a letdown, but we will see what next steps can be taken, Mr. Opio posted on March 3, 204. Ever since President Museveni assented to the law in May last year, there has been backlash from the Western world, with some countries like the US and agencies like IMF cutting aid and suspending loans to Uganda. The Anti-Homosexuality Act, 2023 prescribes tough penalties for various offenses, including participating in promotion, facilitation, and failure to report acts of homosexuality. Penalties range from death for aggravated homosexuality to imprisonment not exceeding 20 years.